The Eisteddfod, of course, being principally centred around the message of peace and bringing young people together around that particular message, has a great future ahead of it. But I think what we need to do probably in the future is make more opportunities in perhaps small seminars and small groups for people from the different countries to get together and to talk together, as well as to sing together, to talk together, and perhaps give a brief explanation of some of the situations in their own countries, some of the situations that they face, so that children in Wales or in England or in America or where have you can actually hear from those young people what it's like to live in Palestine, what it's like to live in Israel, what it's like to live in wherever. And I think that would be an added dimension, that there is nothing like meeting face to face with somebody from a different region, a different part of the world, who has a different experience to your own. You never forget that. The Eisteddfod, as we know, began following World War II, a time of terrible conflict and a time of great devastation and great hardship for many people. Alas, it is as relevant today as it ever was. When you consider the thousands of people, young people and old people, who have been displaced from their homes. I've seen them. I've been to the border, the Iraqi border. I've been around that region many times. I've seen people, young people, leaving home and with no prospect of going back because their home has been destroyed. And looking to the future, what future? Now, we can turn a blind eye to that, and we can say, oh, it's of no concern of ours. It is a concern of ours. We're all members of one human family. By making sure, as far as we can, that war is totally outlawed in the future. And that can only be done as a coming generation say, we have peace in our hearts, we have peace in our beliefs, and we're going to communicate the message of peace.